3 facts about Roth IRAs that you probably didn't know. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where you put money in after you pay taxes. That money then grows tax-free, and you don't have to pay taxes on the earnings when you retire. Here are the facts that you probably didn't know. Number 1, any money that you put into a Roth IRA, you can take out. Now, everyone says you have to wait until you're 59 and a half in order to take the money out of a Roth IRA. But you can actually pull out any money that you put into a Roth IRA at any time. Some people even use that money that they put in as a secondary emergency fund. Number 2, dividends within a Roth IRA are tax-free. Typically, when you buy something like a REIT within a normal investing account, you have to pay taxes on the dividend that the REIT produces annually. But if that REIT is within a Roth IRA, you don't have to pay taxes on the dividend. Number 3, if your spouse doesn't work, you can still contribute to a Roth IRA. One of the biggest rules with a Roth IRA is that you have to have earned income in order to contribute to the Roth IRA. But if your husband is a stay-at-home dad and not bringing in any money, he can't contribute to a Roth IRA himself. But with the spousal IRA provision, you can contribute to his Roth IRA on his behalf.